G'day Burnout fans, it's Flinty here. We're down at the Pure Grunt testing pad with Alex and his brand new VF Blacklist. A couple of pictures popped up online the other day. Mark from Prowest was sort of kept me a bit in the loop as to how the car was going. Car went on the dyno yesterday and entered for Gazinats this weekend, I believe.
Yes.
Yep. So we're about to do a bit of a test skid with the car. This is the first time out. Was on the dyno yesterday, so yeah, looks like a bit of a weapon, this thing. But started life as a VF Calais, now running a full GTS Body Kit, Blown Injected L98. What more could you want? But I'm going to hand you over to Alex. He's going to tell us a little bit more about the car, and then we'll get into making some noise and smashing some tyres. Alex, tell us a little bit about it.
So yeah, Prowest built the entire car start to finish, minus the motor basically. Dean from FTC Race Converters built the gearbox, 2-speed Powerglide and the converter. Yeah, so shout out to him. Shout out to Holmes Panel and Paint is a sponsor of mine as well. They did all the paint work on it. JC Towing and Recovery, he's my towing sponsor, tows it everywhere for me. Absolute legend, so shout out to him as well. Street Neat Auto Electrical wired the car up, did an insane job, so shout out to Andrew as well. Superior Customs keeps it looking good, so shout out to them as well. And shit, I got to think now. Who else helps out? Prowest did an insane job. We recommend them to anyone. Absolutely stoked.
So what did Prowest do from the car?
Yeah,
for? Obviously they built it, but
yeah, they built it start to finish. They tubbed it, fitted the 4-link with the sheet metal 9-inch diff. Yeah, I mean, put the motor in, gearbox. Yeah,
I think this car was in the Prowest shop tour that we did, and
yeah.
It was looking pretty bare, and that was only a few months ago. So the team's put a hell of a lot of hours into this thing to get it to where it is now. So yeah. Like most people interview, a bit nervous. Let's get into smashing some tyres. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Yeah, we'll get over and get some tyres off this thing. So see you around.
Cheers, Flinty.
Thanks for your time, Alex.